In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 1528, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the most beloved places to Allah, the Exalted, are the mosques, and the most hated places to him are the marketplaces. Islam does not prohibit Muslims from going to places other than the mosques, nor does it command them to always inhabit the mosques. But it is important that they prioritize attending mosques for the congregational prayers, and attending religious gatherings, over visiting the markets and other places unnecessarily. When a need arises, there is no harm to attend other places, such as shopping centers, but a Muslim should avoid going to them unnecessarily, as they are places where sins more often occur. Whenever they do go to other places, they must ensure they avoid disobeying Allah, the Exalted, which includes wronging others. They should avoid over-socializing, as this is the cause of the majority of sins which occur in society. The mosques are meant to be a sanctuary from sins and a comfortable place to obey Allah, the Exalted, in. This involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Just like a student benefits from a library, as it is an environment created for studying, similarly, Muslims can benefit from mosques, as their very purpose is to encourage Muslims to obtain and act on useful knowledge so that they can obey Allah, the Exalted, correctly. Mosques are also an excellent place to remind one of their purpose, which is to sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him. The mosques also encourage one to prioritize their activities in the correct way, so that they fulfill their necessities and responsibilities, prepare adequately for the hereafter, and enjoy lawful pleasures in moderation. The one who avoids the mosques often wastes their time and resources on vain and pointless activities, and they therefore lose out on gaining benefit in both worlds. Not only should a Muslim prioritize the mosques over other places, but they should encourage others, such as their children, to do the same. In fact, it is an excellent place for the youth to avoid sins, crimes, and bad company, which lead to nothing but trouble and regret in both worlds.